Hello guys, welcome to Eric Auto Center. As usual, today's tutorial I'm going to share with you Honda and Toyota reliability. We are going to compare these two cars and figure out which one of them is more reliable. We all know back in 90s, Toyota and Honda are cars that dominating in the system, and it has been a consistent time, but in the last 10 decades, all these two cars have been come to the automotive system and giving us a brand that we need, which is a high competitive in the system that compete many automotive companies to also do same, giving us a type of brand that suits their client or customers. So automotive system is unlike those days. It is a high competitive automotive system that we are in this current generation, and due to the number of car buyers and car users, every automotive company is doing its own best to pursue its perspective, and that is it. So Toyota and Honda reliability, all these two cars are Japanese companies which they are doing well, but we have a repair data or maintenance data that refer us to figure out which of them is being more useful at the workshop, which of them is being more regular when it comes to repairs. So Honda and Toyota, we have their record, we put them in the video and figure out. We also chip in some things that will also refer to these cars. It's not only about Toyota and Honda. I myself personally not doesn't use Toyota or Honda. I use Mitsubishi Outlander. Everybody ways to do what is suitable for him, and I cannot urge you to go and buy Toyota or Honda. It's all about maintenance. You can go for Honda, you can go for Toyota, but just maintain it to meet the mandate of the car as long as manufactured. That is the most important thing. I am convinced you to go and buy Honda or Toyota because all these cars have their myth and misconception, and that is it. So Toyota recorded a highest number of repairs in our repair data more than Honda, and looking at the 2023, Toyota repair in our data is about 335 vehicles. Compared to the Honda, we have 119 vehicles. So that is it. And looking at it, that means Toyota are more regularly getting problems more than Honda, because Honda have changed their type of modeling to advanced modeling, and Toyota has also come into more modeling like a hybrid and electrical and sometimes fuel, which is also required for them to its performance. But we have issues about these two cars like Toyota, Honda. Honda have problem about like CR-V have problem about transmission issues, which I will do that video separately, maybe this week or next week. Toyota also have problem about airbag. 2022 models, more than 6 Toyota have been recalled back to Toyota company, which airbag has failed totally, and I also do those videos separately and upload it on this channel. So subscribe and get more notified when we upload something about auto or car. So that is it. So looking at our repair record, Toyota have its repair cost and Honda have its repair cost. But looking at the repair cost, Honda price is a little bit high, which one servicing costs $500. Toyota has been coming down to $450. So in terms of repairs, Toyota is a bit reliable than Honda, and let's say Honda parts are a bit higher cost than Toyota, and it lasts because Honda have upgraded its modern year by year, and produce quality parts for each customer, except those who are in the system want to fake spare parts. So I'm urging you to take note about it. Anytime you want to buy Honda or Toyota, maintaining it is more important. So you have to go in for buying a genuine parts to fix it, and you are good to go. I'm not saying Toyota is better than Honda. We went to our record and figured out that the number of cars that recorded in 2023 for repairs, Toyota has dominated a number of record, and Honda recorded at least 1/3 of it. That is why we are saying Toyota record more fault regular than Honda. That is only the difference. So I am not doing this video to convince anybody to go for Honda or Toyota. Any of them, which of them is better car, just go for it, buy what you want, but maintain it, and that is all. You are good to go. This is Eric Auto Center. If you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please to hit the subscribe button and make sure you click the notification bell so that you won't miss anything that we upload on this channel. Share the video and make sure you comment. Your comment will also encourage me to do more videos, things that I have not even planned to do. Comment will bring it up. We share our mind together, then we are moving. Those who share my video, I thank you. I welcome new subscribers, and those who have been subscribed for a very long time, I thank you. I really appreciate your support. Making Eric Auto Center global for global scene. That is my appreciation that I'm giving all of you watching me. So that is it. We also chip in some models of cars. That is Ford. My clients also use Ford, which were all in the same workshop. So it doesn't mean that you are working on Toyota while a technician you have to use Toyota or you have to use Honda. Like I said earlier, I don't use Honda, I use Mitsubishi Outlander. So watch your comment in the comment section and don't say anything against me like we are joking, and that is it. I'm not using Toyota or Honda, I'm using Mitsubishi Outlander. That is the best also I can, that is suitable for me, and I go for it due to the nature of my work. That is why I go for this SUV Mitsubishi Outlander. So Toyota have a highest number of your SUV like Land Cruiser, like Toyota Fortuner, like Toyota 4Runner, Toyota RAV4, Toyota Highlander, Sienna, and all these things. Looking at how Honda have a CR-V, HR-V, and compared to Honda Accord, Honda Civic, Honda City, these are some of the things that Toyota is a little bit ahead of Honda. Let's say Toyota is more ahead of Honda in terms of its model and the basic SUVs, because almighty Land Cruiser, almighty Prado, and all these cars is in the system for a very long time, and none of those cars has compete with Toyota when it comes to Toyota SUV cars. So that is it, and that is the difference. Toyota is a worldwide and continental vehicles that everybody want use it. That is how I can clarify it. Honda is coming into the scene in some countries, and now people are also recognizing it and purchasing it due to their latest advanced cars and upgrading system, and they have come into the scene for better manufacturing, and it is helping a lot. We all have accepted Honda cars. It is good, although some of their CVT transmission are getting problem and disturbing, especially CR-V has a problem on transmission, and I think Honda have to review it and correct those mistakes, as well as Toyota 2022 model. Some of them also have airbag failure, so in case of crashing, airbag will totally fail. In terms of crashing or anything, the emergency, airbag will totally not respond. That is the thing. So Toyota have done a recall for those 2022 models, which I will do a separate video for this video, and we are good to go. So we are looking on that CRV transmission problems, especially 2017, 2018, 2019 CRV is giving more troubles on their transmission, and we will also do a separate video on that. But that will not require you to stop using CRV, because when a problem will come, that means it depends on the way you use your car, depend on the road you use your car, or a mechanic that work on your car. That is it. So that is the myth and misconception about these two cars, and we all will look into it and correct those mistakes. Like human beings also have their own problem. Everything is not 100% on this earth, but if you manage it well and you maintain it and use it well, you escape those kind of fault and inconveniences. That is how it is, and we will continue to bring you more updates about car review. If you want me to do any video on car review or any video that is more important to you, you need to share in the comment section so that I will give you a feedback, because I take my audience feedback seriously, and I make sure I will answer every question or every comment in the comment section as well. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Until then, be better and not bitter. Stay blessed.